My video tutorial will provide you with help to remove the new ransomware, which is called Pomoch. Pomoch, I'm not sure why exactly it's called like that, but we will find out later on. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting the ransomware. In my video I'll just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware, and I will give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover your files, even though I cannot guarantee that I'll help you recover them. So before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the files without any troubles. All your files can be opened. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this Pomoch ransomware may be very easily injected into the system, and very soon users just realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware appends this extension called Pomoch45. It also tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. Now, what I recommend you to do to remove this ransomware is to scan your computer with the help of reliable antivirus, such as Combo Cleaner. Get it on the website Pomoch45.com. Pomoch45.com. Use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install the software, and then start carefully researching your computer. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So you need to click on this start scan button after you start the software for the first time. So click on the start scan, and the application will first of all most likely update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. So you should not skip this very important update procedure. Wait until it gets successfully accomplished and updated. And so after the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations. Combo Cleaner doesn't decrypt files, but it helps to remove the ransomware and to protect your data ahead of time with the anti-ransomware feature. Speaking about file decryption, you can find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover the files.